Hi friends, how are you doing? I hope you all are having a beautiful and fantastic day. Welcome to today's video. It's early in the morning, around 8:30, and I just started the day off with some cleaning out the outdoors. So here I'm basically washing with soap and water, trying to disinfect this area because it's the way to the kitchen. I like starting my day with a bit of cleaning when I'm free because it's really relaxing and it just sets the pace for the day. So I really like starting my day with some cleaning. Guys, please comment down below and let me know how you like to start your day. And then let's make some breakfast quickly just before we reset our day. I need to go and do some shopping, so let's get out. Oh, what a beautiful place. I really like this garden and how the building is designed. So it's my first time to shop here and I'm hoping to enjoy this experience. That's so beautiful. I ended up going for my shopping later in the day because I had a busy day, and then later we will unbox together. Let's unbox our shopping. We'll start with the vegetables. This is dania or coriander leaves, bananas, cabbage, tomatoes. So yeah, and this is spinach. This is the normal shopping we usually do like for the whole week for the house, and it can go the whole week or even more than that or even shorter depending on how much we use every day. So I'll be unboxing and placing my stuff on the side so I have enough space to display. Also, I'm trying to avoid mixing up some items together, so I'll be taking them out and putting them aside just to have this space for other things. I got really nice deals, and these are the onions. Everything was a very good deal, so I'm really happy with this. Yeah, let me put these items aside. These are sweet potatoes, which are really good. You can use them for breakfast or any other meal of the day. And then these are the carrots I got. I will not be showing all the prices for each item because some of them got wrapped in the bag. Yeah, these are bananas, cooking bananas, and more bananas. Let's place them. Potatoes. Let's keep them away. Let's clear the table and add more items. Let's now display the meats, apples,
My
toothpaste, Royco. This is very essential in the kitchen because we use it almost every day. And then garlic, some spices, that's garam masala. Milk, of course, for breakfast and for tea or drinking. And chicken. Yeah, this is a whole chicken. It had to be wrapped because it was melting, so I didn't want it to soak other items in the bag. And this is minced meat. Bell pepper, colored ones in the regular green, and this is ginger. Prestige margarine. This can actually go for a whole month because it's 1 kg, even more than 1 month. And then that is maize flour. That's all-purpose flour, baking flour. Yeah, also requested them to wrap this chicken for me. That's chicken breasts. Anything that melts in the bag, I always request the whoever is serving or packing to wrap it up there. Yeah. And then let's clean some of the vegetables we got. So we have to clean them really well to make sure they don't have any soil in them or anything, anything we don't need in them. Yeah, so we clean them thoroughly before cutting them. So for me, I don't know how to cut like holding in my hand, but I've been trying to practice that because I think they come out really neat when you just use your hand instead of the chopping board. The chopping board cuts them a bit larger maybe than most people would prefer. Yeah, so I'll keep practicing because I have my friend here. She's very good with that, so I'll be learning from her. Yeah, and we are almost done before we start cutting them or chopping them. Guys, please comment down below and let me know how you like to cut your spinach. If you like to use your hand or if you like using a chopping board, let me know what works best for you. I'm still learning from my friend, and I hope soon I'll be able to cut just like her. Let me take a minute to admire my hair before we get back to what we were doing. Yeah, so everything is done with and clean. And we have to collect everything and throw them in the bin just to make sure it's all neat. And that's how it looks like. Super clean. So the only last step remaining is just to cut them and cook. Mom.